Hey parents of teen drivers, here today with another video. Today we're going to be talking about how to assign the best driver seat position for your teen. Okay, so I was reading a couple articles on this and I've had this pop up in various issues and cases or whatever, and I think it's very important to make sure that when your teen gets in the car, they're making all the adjustments to mirrors and everything, but they're also getting the seat correctly done. You know, oftentimes people lean way too far back or they're way too far up on it, or they're all kind of wonky and they don't really know. And nowadays we can program seats and we just press the little thing on the side and it goes back to where we want. So we want to make sure that everything's getting programmed properly. And so the very first thing is you're supposed to sit in the seat. You kind of raise your steering wheel up and you push the seat back and you sit in with your butt all the way in and your back all the way to the back, right? Just nice and comfortable, not anything outlandish. And you want to make sure your butt's pushed all the way back, and then your knees, you want to make sure you adjust the front and back part of the seat to where you have a slight bend in the knees, and so that way you can the accelerator or the brake, you can reach them if they're fully depressed or all the way down. Next, you want to make sure that the elbows, that they're not fully extended like this, that they're slightly bent at 10 and 2. Not necessarily like this, or you don't want to be all up on it like this. NASCAR, you'll sometimes see that they're very close, but this is where you want to be nice and comfortable, 10 and 2, elbows slightly bent. The shoulders should be touching the back of the seat as much as you can, not uncomfortably, but where you have a slight bend and shoulders are already back so that you can be in full reaction mode. And then the headrest should fall right about the top of the head. So sometimes you see them, they're way up here, especially if people are short. Other times you have them kind of way down here. And headrests are very important because before the invention of headrests, the person would get in an auto accident and the head and neck would whip so far back, or other times it would break the neck. I mean, it was horrible neck injuries. So with the invention of headrests to kind of stop that has been very, very, very good. You want to make sure that you're dialing in all of these settings into the memory. And you want to make sure also that your teen is not making adjustments to the seat while they're actually driving down the road. That's a huge distraction. So tell them to make the adjustments before they get on the road, or maybe have them pull over if it's something where they need to make an adjustment as they're going down the road. Finally, you want to make sure that the wheel is tilted to where you can see the gauges kind of in between the steering wheel, and then above the steering wheel you can see the full element of the road. And I know some of this is common sense, but you will have people who have things kind of out of whack, and then they're kind of turning their head to see the speedometer or whatever, and you just want to make sure all those things are dealt with ahead of time so that you set yourself up for success and you set your teen up for success, and they will have a safe drive every single time. And again, it's smart to just have memory settings so they know theirs. They press it, bzz, everything goes into place, and then they don't have to worry about those settings. So Seth Smiley here from the Smiley Law Firm for another edition of Parents of Teen Drivers Facebook group. Thank you.